Good day, my name is Rashid Momo, lead trader at TLB Stockbrokers. Today I'm doing a short video. The market has been doing so well. I think the market's about 55,000 points as we speak. It's about 55,800 points. Market seems to have broken all. You can see the support resistance levels. These resistance levels have been coming in from the period of 2014. So that level has been broken. And we are watching the next areas where we're looking at about I think about 55,000 down has been broken. The next level will be this. In all, momentum seems to be coming up from a very strong the MACD has actually come up from a very strong area. If you check out the history, the turnover has always been from, you can see, extreme downtrends, and for us to have seen this in a very monthly time frame, that means possibility of more push to the upside. But as we said, it's a waiting game because from daily time frame you can see that extra push, and from the monthly time frame it's been there since around the period of November till date. Basically what I'm looking at are current support and resistance levels and how this thing will be, how they work for the market. You can see UBA actually did, it opened 850, 880, 840 and closed at 870. So that shows that at the end of the bulls did well, but they were not able to cover up to 880. So possibly that what we're looking at, we are going to be looking at current resistance levels. These are very strong resistance levels at 885, and the next two will be the 920 and the 920 resistance levels. So those are areas we're going to be watching. We are going to be watching soon. 925, 980 within that area. The next one, the two interesting ones are the Zenith and GTCO. Sorry. You can see momentum in a monthly time frame is still up. We are within the next resistance levels of 2750 and 2850. It recently broke 2018 trend line from upward from 2018 till it couldn't break in 2022, but we did see an early breakout in 2023. Next areas to watch will be 2750 and 2850. GTCO, very interesting. From 2018 we did not see a breakout. From 2018 it attempted it in 2020, 2021, 2021, and actually we saw that beginning of breakout in I think late 2022s. That was during the year, and okay, we actually saw a confirmed breakout in this year, and after the breakout we saw a consolidation before the next movement. So I've drawn areas of next resistance level will be about, we are looking about the 27, 28, 95 and 30. You understand? For now we expect to see uptrend, downtrend within the, as long as this channel is not broken. This is an upward channel, so I gathered that this stock remains bullish. And if you look at it from the longer time frame has actually confirmed the buy, but as we say, and it's a double bottom, so we expect more momentum, but to the upside later, not now, but in months to come. So for now, walk within your trend lines. The trend is always your friend. Thank you.